For 28 seconds, the world stops. When hot water is forced at exactly the right pressure and temperature through finely ground fresh coffee beans. A sublime shot of black liquid flows out, topped with a rich golden brown layer of crema. Caffè con crema naturale. The result of one man's determined quest for the perfect espresso in 1930s Milano. That man was Achille Gaggia, a humble bartender with a passion for coffee whose revolutionary brewing system would give birth to one of Italy's most iconic brands. Gaggia, a name practically synonymous with espresso italiano. Espresso, a daily pleasure for people of all cultures, served in bars, trattorias, restaurants and homes all over the world. An Italian treasure since the 5th of September 1938, the day that Achille Gaggia filed the patent for the world's first steam-free espresso system. We celebrate that day. It was a day that ushered in the beginning of a new era, a day that would change coffee drinking forever. And it was that day when the journey of Gaggia began. Since then, coffee has been flowing through our veins, minds and hearts, inspiring us to innovate, improve and further perfect the skill of espresso making. From the 1948 Classica, the domestic Gilda, to the Deco found in bars today, our products serve countless espresso aficionados around the world. Our journey continues. Today, we aspire to bring the flavor of authentic Italian coffee and barista expertise to every corner of the world with our innovative, state-of-the-art coffee machines. Let's celebrate what started in Milano, and let's dream of where it might take us. Prendiamo un caffè!